Assalamu alaikum class 6 in your science video, and today we are going to start a new chapter from our chemistry portion, and the chapter name is solutions, chapter 12, page number 164. So let's start it. In solution, when we mix a solid with a liquid, so we often get a mixture of the two substances. If the solid dissolves, it spreads out in minutes particles throughout the liquid, so they can no longer be seen. The amount of solid that will dissolve in a liquid depends upon the amount of liquid used and the temperature of the liquid. So when no more solid will dissolve in a liquid, the solution said to be saturated. Before that, the solution is unsaturated. So the mixture of solid and liquid is called solution, and the solid is called the solute, and the liquid is called the solvent. So a substance which will dissolve is said to be soluble, and one which will not dissolve is called insoluble. What happens when a sugar crystal is dissolved in water? When an insoluble substance is mixed with liquid, small particles can be seen floating around in the liquid. This is called a suspension. Eventually, the insoluble particles will settle to the bottom of the liquid, forming a sediment. Like chalk, calcium carbonate is insoluble in water. Small chalk particles can still be seen suspended in the water. Some of the chalk has formed a sediment at the bottom of the beaker. So water is a good solvent, but it will not dissolve all substances. For example, oils and fats do not make solution in water. These need other solvents. Some substances can make solution with the particular solvent, like grease and oil can be make solution with trichloroethane. Gloss paint can make solution with white spirit. Nail varnish can make solution with propanone, and oil in perfumes and aftershave can be become a solution with the solvent ethanol, that is also called alcohol. It is not only solids that will dissolve, gases can also form solution with liquids, and a good example is carbon dioxide, which dissolved in flavored water to make fizzy drinks like our cold drinks. The form of fizzy drinks glass is made up of millions of tiny carbon dioxide gas bubbles coming out of solution. Next example we have of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate dissolve in water to give a clear blue solution. The copper sulfate particles are still there, but they are so tiny that they cannot be seen. That was a video related to the solution. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.